leadership is not always the answer for everyone. Just because someone is a high performer doesn't always mean that they want to be a leader. But also, not everyone is also suited to being a leader as well. So here are some tips as well. I'd love for you to think about here the transition of high performers into leaders. We can follow these steps and think about how we can support them here. Firstly, like have a conversation about if they really want to lead or what is their motivation. They do need to have a level of intrinsic motivation. And usually that will come out of an open discussion about their goals and their career intentions. So if we have a discussion first about what their intentions are, what are their goals, we can discover if they really want to lead. We also want to acknowledge that there is an important mindset shift from being an individual contributor as a high performer to a leader, which is really important. And this is really moving from this is how I do the work to this is how we do the work as a team and being a leader in that capacity. They also need to let go of their old identity that's tied to all of those great personal achievements so that they can step into their new identity in helping others achieve. And then they need to identify the support available to grow their leadership skills. So it is important that they have agency and they have the initiative to go and seek the support that they need. And that is part of being a leader as well, is being really, really proactive in your role. So I'd love to throw a statistic here, and I actually really love this myself because this is what I see a lot when I look at the workplace. 37% of frontline leaders and first-time managers said the biggest challenge for them was a lack of explicit training in what management and leadership style really is.